'Tis the season for entertaining, and this modern winter arrangement is a fresh take with color for the season. When choosing the materials, the starting point was this fabulous anthurium. And once I saw that, I knew I had to create. Then I gathered some temperate flowers to go with the tropical, hydrangea, stock, eucalyptus, and then a little bit of evergreen. Went to the permanent botanicals aisle and found this soft lavender. I thought that would be a great accent. And then on trend with the tinted plumosa fern, so fabulous in this sort of platinum silver. Lastly, a favorite Christmas ornament, blown glass. I just attached it to 2 wood picks. That way I can use it as a focal emphasis in the design. The container, beautiful mercury glass. I put a gripper bowl inside so that I can just set that in. Makes it easy for delivery. Combining the juniper with its rustic evergreen foliage, so heavy and textural, and then coming in with silver dollar eucalyptus, so light and drapey, gives wonderful contrast. Then seeded eucalyptus, even more texture, letting it drape out and repeating, following a central binding point, elongating to the sides, and then shorter, breaking the line in the front, but keeping it a little more compact. Then coming back with the permanent botanical, cutting it down so that you can have multiple insertions, dividing it out, and then tucking it in, letting it break the line, as well as come up a bit towards the center, draping outward, and then repeat until your base mechanics are concealed. The hydrangea and the ornament have such similar colors and form. They're so rounded. And they will make a great bed to help support the ornament, to make sure that it's protected, is deliverable, can't shift around too much. So just setting it in quite deeply and repeating. And then last, nestling the ornament right in the center. Now, the stars of the show, the anthurium, letting them come out nice and long, extending the line of the arrangement securely into the foam, and bringing the stalk in. You can actually go onto the opposite side and then mix back and forth, getting that purple hue carried outward and repeating. Another anthurium, pulling in, and then repeat the stalk as well, going back and forth, going straight into the focal emphasis area. For the final detail, the beautiful plumosa, to add just that soft laciness, letting it come out from the sides, lightening and adding texture. Repeat it on the opposite side. And I've got a little more of the permanent botanical, thinking about where a little light color would be good, possibly down, breaking the line of the container, bringing it over, breaking the line of the container on the other side, and then one perfect piece of plumosa coming up and over, sheltering the ornament. The recipe, 1 fabulous ornament, then 5 of the purple anthurium, 3 hydrangea, 2 of the permanent botanical, it's a ruscus variety, and then 6 stock, juniper, seeded eucalyptus, silver dollar eucalyptus, and the gilded plumosa. As we're all bombarded with red and green for the holiday season, it's such a delight to go to a modern take using purple. Violet is fabulous. You'll find this and so much more inspiration on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now, it's your turn. Pick an alternative color. Create a beautiful design and take a photograph. Post it on social media, #FloralDesignInstitute. That way I'll hunt for it, take a peek, and see what you've done as you do something you love.